So we have a lot of people that want to introduce themselves to knife making, so it's good to take that beginner class so that they can get the techniques and tips and just the simple stuff out of the way and learn how to do that, and then they can focus more on the knife making. We have had some specialty classes on these knives on occasion, but mostly we just do the beginner side of things with the blacksmith, where we teach people the techniques and heating and hitting and different things like that. We offer quilting classes. That's a new one that we've been doing. We have shop time, so you can rent shop time and come in and use all of our equipment and work on your own project, but we're here to kind of help you walk through those things. We also have monthly memberships, and you can get in any increment up to a year on those memberships, and that gives you full access to the shop and some storage space and things like that.
Cool.
Did you talk about the in-house resident or the artists?
Right now we have about 6 resident artists that all have their own specialty, but they all teach classes as well, and that's where the potter, the jewelry maker, the print makers, we've got a couple of people that do some custom furniture and painting, and the fiber arts. So those are a really cool addition to what we have to offer. They're here all the time working, and so people can come in and talk to them and gain some knowledge from their expertise.
How many of your customers would you say are retirees? Do you think that's a big part of your business?
Yeah, I think definitely our business hinges on that age group. I'd say, in a general sense, probably 45 to 65, but more specifically, probably 50 to 65 is the big bulk of our business.
Okay.
People that have time and some expendable income to come in and try these new things. And they're retirees, so they're looking for new hobbies and things
Right.
to fill their day. And so we've really seen the biggest push from that age group. That age group seems to be the ones that are willing to come back and do different things. So they'll try something, and then they'll come back and try other subsequent things after that, which is great. We want people to come in and try as many things as possible to find that one thing that they really enjoy doing, and then feel free to use the space to further that skill if need be. So it's been a really cool experience. We're about a year and a half in now.
Wow.
Things are going really well, and it's cool what we've created. And we're excited to see what's coming down the road. So, all the tools we have, pretty much everything you need. This is a metal shop. This is where we teach welding and plasma cutting and different things. This is a cool table that a customer made.
So is he going to put glass on top of it, or?
He's got a piece of glass going on top of it.
Wow.
But that's just an example of things that people can make in here.
Sure.
I'm taking an old Coca-Cola machine door and making a door for a business downtown.
Oh, that's cool. So do you guys do side work out of here for your own personal?
Brad is one of the other owners. He and I do most of our work out of here as well, so it works. It's a cool dual purpose shop for us as well.
Oh, cool.
We've got a rented space there that's an artist.
Oh, he rents that separately? Yeah.
Their tools and stuff housed in there and don't have to move. So that's Johnny. So everything that doesn't require the big tools downstairs, we can use this versatile space for that. And this is where we would do soap making, stained glass, painting.
Right.
This is Louise Nuttall's studio. She does
Fiber art.
She harvests her own alpaca fur.
She has alpacas?
Yep.
I love alpacas.
And she dyes it, and
it's good money in alpacas.
It makes things out of it. Makes tons of cool things out of it. This is our jewelry studio. I never can remember the combo too. This is the pottery studio, where Lita does all of her classes. She has wheel throwing classes, hand building classes, and they're making tons of cool stuff like this. They usually start with a bowl, just something simple.
Right.
And then they do an advanced class where they'll go into mugs, which aren't much different, except for attaching the handle, which can be difficult.
Right.
If it's not done right, then
it falls off.
how a handle looks like.
Yeah.
So this is an example of something you make in the intro to stained glass class.
Cool.
And what she does, just for in the interest of time, she'll pre-cut most of these pieces, and then she'll leave like 3 or 4 pieces for you to cut yourself, just so you can learn the process behind that, how to cut and break the glass, and then foil it, and then go back and solder it. So really cool. These make cool little window hangers in the kitchen or wherever, and to let some cool colored light in. This is Lynette. She does our stained glass class, and she does large ornate pieces like this, but also for the intro class, they do a smaller scale.
I did that class.
Just to
Very
learn
fun.
just to learn the techniques behind that stuff. So this is our printing shop. We've got 2 printers that use their space exclusively. So they do a lot of cool prints. You can see some of this stuff that they've done. On the wall here, some of the prints they did for ETSU, for our shop, for Johnson City. And so they're all hand inked. They roll the paper over top of the mold and make the
Cool.
prints that way. Yeah, it's all one at a time.